Want to learn how to edit a split-screen video in CapCut? Let me show you step-by-step with CapCut mobile app. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Add your first video to the timeline. Super simple. Next, adjust the aspect ratio by selecting 9:16 from the tools below. Position your first video clip perfectly on the screen. Now tap on Overlay and add your second video clip. Resize and position it to create that split screen effect. Once both videos are balanced, you can add text or other elements to fill the frame if needed. Play your video and there you go, a stunning split screen video ready to share. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, drop a comment on what you'd like to learn next, and subscribe to Droid Hunter for more awesome editing hacks.